Hello, this is a wooden door made up of shisham wood, which is available in Pakistan and India, which is a very hard wood. The idea is to put some LEDs in this door. Since the door is quite thin, the wood is quite thin, you can see that the size of the wood is like 1 inch. So another sheet of MDF has to be placed on the other side to make it more rigid and strong. This is the inner side with the MDF sheet, while this will be exposed to outer conditions. So this side will be having some LEDs embedded in the wood. You might be able to see the LEDs here, since there are a couple of flowers in the pattern, like one here, and so forth. What I have done is to add some wiring on the back side. There is a small ridge, a cut made up with a circular saw, which goes all the way to the end, and then there are these small holes. The hole from this side is quite wide so that it can house the wires in it, while on the other side the holes are only thin to contain the bulbs, the ends of the bulbs. I have used two color wires for negative and positive ends of the LEDs. You can see these LEDs here, red for the positive side and green or blue for the negative side. You might also notice these small wires which are connected, rather anchored, on the positive side of each LED. The idea of these LEDs, these wires, is that when you, in case I need to replace an LED, it can be held from this wire and pulled out like this. Then it can be replaced and it can be inserted back in its place. So this is one half of the this video. I will be putting another video when the door is completed.